Hello pioneers, as you can see we have 49 days, and 18 hours to Pi Day, and the countdown is still going on, and a lot of pioneers are still wondering what gonna happen that day. Will the Pi network go live by March 14th? This is a very serious question we all have been asking. A lot of rumor has been going on that March 14th the Pi network gonna go live. Well, we all hope so. On this day March 14th, Pi is recognized throughout the world. And a lot of pioneers still came out to celebrate Pi Day. But we all hope to see our Pi network goes live into the mainnet so that we all can go ahead and exchange our Pi coins for fiat currency. I know this is a special day of all Pi network pioneers, and that is why the Pi Core team choose to launch the Pi network on March 14th, as the day for mainnet migration, so that we all will celebrate together after years of mining Pi. So what will you do when the Pi network goes live on March 14th? Please let us know in the comment section down below. Pi is denoted by the Greek letter, and also every year on March 14th, math lovers all around the world also have the chance to repeat Pi's infinite digits, engage in mathematical conversation with pals, and consume Pi. Will go on forever without repetition or pattern because it is an irrational and transcendental number. While most computations only require a few digits, Pi's infinite nature makes it a pleasant challenge to memorize and computationally calculate ever-increasing numbers. So as we keep on waiting for March 14th, please celebrate with me by liking and subscribing to my channel. Thank you, and see you in the next one.